Hey guys, welcome back. So March 26 is the date Huawei has chosen to unveil its next flagship smartphone series. And now with less than 2 weeks to go, we have lots of information to share with you guys, which includes the new Prism periscope camera with 10 times optical zoom, industry first quad curved display. On the front, there will be a triple camera setup and so much more. Starting off with the design, the P40 Pro will feature the quad curved display with punch hole cutout. On the rear, it has penta-camera setup with Leica branding. It has volume rocker and power button on the right side with the USB Type-C port on the bottom, and there is no 3.5mm audio jack. It will have a 6.7 inches quad HD plus OLED display, and there is no information about its refresh rate, but we are expecting Huawei to provide 90Hz or 120Hz panel. And for security, the Huawei P40 Pro will come with in-display fingerprint scanner, and for protection, it will use Corning Gorilla Glass 6. And according to rumors, the punch hole houses a 40 megapixel camera along with an ultra-wide and 3D time flight depth sensor. On the rear side, you can expect 5 cameras in the similar rectangular housing as seen with Samsung's S20 series phones. Reportedly, the main sensor gonna be a 52 megapixel Sony IMX700 sensor. The interesting thing about this sensor is that it does the pixel binning at a completely next level. We have seen pixel binning in various other phones, but it was just 4 to 1, or with Galaxy S20 Ultra it was 9 to 1. But Huawei will apparently use never seen before 16 to 1 binning ratio, meaning it will be better equipped to see in the dark. Not just that, it has been rumored that this sensor can perform variable pixel binning ratios. Like in bright lighting conditions, it will use 4 to 1 pixel binning and likewise. Moving further with the rest of the cameras, we have Sony IMX650 with 40 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, 8 megapixel telephoto with 3 times optical zoom, 16 megapixel periscope lens with 10 times optical zoom. For comparison, Galaxy S20 Ultra only has 5x optical zoom. I believe it will also feature 100 times digital zoom, given that Samsung already uses it in its latest S20 series. And finally, a 3D time of flight sensor. It will be powered by Kirin 990 SoC coupled with 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 512GB of internal storage. All of this will be powered by 4700 mAh battery with support for 40W fast charging and 22.5W fast wireless charging. It will of course run Android 10 in the form of EMUI 10.1 and not Harmony OS. And according to leaks, the smartphone will be available in silver, gold, black, blue and gradient breathing crystal finish. So this was everything about hardware and the software which they are gonna use. Now let's get to the pricing, which was recently provided by the Twitter leaker. The P40 Pro will be priced between 999 and 1099 euros in Europe. For comparison, the P30 Pro was priced similarly at 990 euros at launch. Now it's somewhere close to 550 euros, which is a drastic reduction because now it's time for the P40 series. So that's it about P40 Pro. And what you guys think about this smartphone, do let me know in the comment section below. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Peace out.